Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the timing of the front assist advance warning on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The front assist will warn you when the distance to the car in front becomes critical. If the car in front starts slowing down and you don't appear to have noticed, you will get a warning. You can change how soon or late you get these warnings. Follow the steps to learn how to change the timing of the front assist warnings. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the car menu. Choose Driver Assistance from the options. Under the Front Assist heading, tap Advance Warning. You can now choose between early, medium, late and off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.